You wake up to the sound of ocean waves. You press a button and your bed slowly transforms into a comfortable lounge. Your coffee machine starts brewing. The solar panels on your roof are already charging your battery system. And you didn't book a hotel. You didn't check into an Airbnb. You didn't even unpack a suitcase. Because this is your home. Today we're talking about the 2026 Kia camper van, Kia's bold move into the fast-growing American van life market. And this might be one of the smartest vehicles the brand has ever built. The big question is simple. Is this the most affordable luxury camper van in the United States right now? And more importantly, is it actually worth your money? Let's break it down. The 2026 Kia camper van represents Kia stepping confidently into the camper and adventure van segment in the US market. While brands like Ford and Mercedes-Benz have dominated this space for years, Kia is taking a different approach. Instead of targeting ultra-luxury builds that cost over $120,000, Kia is focusing on delivering a factory-built camper van that blends comfort, technology, efficiency, and affordability. This isn't a third-party conversion. It's designed from the ground up to function as a modern home on wheels. Let's talk price first, because that's what most people care about. In the United States, the expected pricing looks like this. The base model is projected to start around $52,995. The AWD Adventure model is expected around $59,995. And the fully loaded Solar Elite trim could reach approximately $67,995. When you compare that to camper vans built on the Ford Transit or Mercedes Sprinter platform, many of which easily cross $120,000 or even $180,000, the Kia immediately grabs attention. It undercuts much of the competition while still offering factory quality and warranty support. Now let's look at the design. At first glance, the 2026 Kia camper van doesn't look like a boring commercial work van. Kia has infused it with the same futuristic design language seen in vehicles like the Telluride and EV lineup. The front fascia features vertical LED daytime running lights, a wide modern grille design, and a sculpted bumper that gives it a confident, slightly aggressive stance. The side profile features a high roof configuration, allowing most adults to stand comfortably inside. Dual sliding doors improve accessibility, while black adventure-style cladding and roof rails give it a rugged aesthetic. The ground clearance on the AWD model sits around 8.7 inches, making it capable enough for gravel roads, national park trails, and snowy mountain drives. It's not a hardcore rock crawler. But for real-world adventure travel, it's more than capable. Now let's step inside, because that's where things get exciting. The interior layout is designed around versatility and smart space usage. At the heart of the van is a convertible smart bed system. During the day, it functions as a lounge with seating and a table. At night, it folds into a queen-size bed with memory foam padding. The transformation process is simple and intuitive. The kitchen module includes an induction cooktop, a fold-out prep surface, a 12-volt refrigerator, and a built-in sink with an electric water pump. Storage cabinets are integrated cleanly into the walls, maximizing vertical space without making the interior feel cramped. There's also an optional wet bath setup that includes a compact shower and toilet combination. The van features approximately a 15-gallon fresh water tank and a 12-gallon gray water tank. While not massive, it's sufficient for weekend trips or short off-grid stays. Under the hood, the 2026 Kia camper van offers two powertrain options. The first is a 2.5-liter turbocharged gasoline engine producing around 290 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and delivers an estimated 20 miles per gallon on the highway, which is solid for a camper van of this size. The second option is a hybrid powertrain combining a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine with an electric motor. Together, they produce around 250 horsepower, with significantly improved fuel efficiency, estimated at about 28 miles per gallon combined. For a camper van, that level of efficiency is impressive and could significantly reduce long-term fuel costs. The available all-wheel drive system includes torque vectoring, multi-terrain drive modes, and settings for snow, mud, and sand. It also includes hill descent control. This makes it ideal for road trips across national parks, beach camping, and winter travel conditions. One of the biggest highlights of the 2026 Kia camper van is its solar and battery system. The Solar Elite trim comes equipped with approximately 400 watts of rooftop solar panels and a 5 kWh lithium battery pack. The system supports shore power charging and includes smart energy management. This setup allows you to power lights, the refrigerator, laptops, phones, and even small appliances for 2 to 3 days off-grid, depending on usage. That means real independence. You can park at a remote campsite and still enjoy modern conveniences. Technology inside the cabin feels more like a premium SUV than a traditional camper van. The dashboard features dual 12.3-inch curved digital displays. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard. There's also a 360-degree camera system, a digital rearview mirror, and ambient lighting that creates a modern, lounge-like atmosphere at night. Many camper vans feel like commercial vehicles with furniture added. The Kia feels integrated and intentional. Smart features include app-based climate control, remote battery monitoring, digital water tank level displays, and a power retractable awning. You can manage much of the van's living systems directly from your smartphone. For entertainment, the van includes a premium 10-speaker audio system and exterior power outlets for campsite setups. Whether you're watching movies inside or hosting a small outdoor gathering, the system is designed to support both relaxation and social use. Safety is another area where Kia stands out. The van includes a full suite of advanced driver assistance systems such as forward collision avoidance, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and rear cross-traffic alert. Many camper conversions don't offer this level of integrated safety tech, especially at this price point. Storage solutions are thoughtfully designed. There's under-bed cargo space, often referred to as a garage, modular bins, hidden compartments, roof storage capability, and foldable exterior tables. This allows you to store camping gear, bikes, luggage, and travel equipment without cluttering the main living area. So who is this van really for? It's ideal for young couples exploring van life for the first time. It's perfect for digital nomads who need reliable internet connectivity and power solutions. It suits retirees looking to downsize and travel comfortably. It's also great for weekend adventurers who want freedom without committing to a full-size RV. When comparing it to competitors, the differences become clear. Ford Transit camper builds are popular but often require third-party conversions. Mercedes-Benz Sprinter campers offer luxury but at a significantly higher price. Ram ProMaster-based builds are affordable but may lack the cohesive, factory-integrated feel. Kia positions itself right in the sweet spot between price and premium features. Its unique selling points include factory-built quality under $70,000, solar integration directly from the manufacturer, hybrid efficiency, AWD capability, and strong warranty coverage. Kia's 5-year, 60,000-mile basic warranty and 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty provide peace of mind that many European competitors can't match. Cost of ownership appears reasonable. Fuel costs will vary depending on usage, but hybrid models could significantly reduce long-distance expenses. Maintenance is expected to be lower than European vans, and insurance rates should fall into a moderate category compared to large RVs. In real-world use, the 2026 Kia camper van shines during road trips. Imagine driving through California's coastline, parking near Zion National Park, cooking dinner inside your van, charging devices through solar energy, and sleeping comfortably under the stars. No hotel reservations. No rigid schedules. Just freedom. Of course, it's not perfect. It's not designed for extreme off-road adventures. The water tank capacity is limited compared to larger RVs. And as a first-generation model in this segment, it will face the typical challenges of entering a new market category. But the overall package is compelling. The 2026 Kia camper van isn't trying to compete with $200,000 luxury motorhomes. Instead, it aims to make van life more accessible to everyday Americans. And it does so by blending affordability, technology, practicality, and style in a way that feels modern and relevant. In terms of ratings, design earns a strong 9 out of 10. Technology also sits at 9 out of 10 thanks to the digital integration. Performance is solid at 8 out of 10, especially with the hybrid option. Value stands out at 10 out of 10. Overall, this camper van deserves a 9 out of 10. The 2026 Kia camper van represents more than just another vehicle launch. It reflects a lifestyle shift toward mobility, remote work flexibility, and experiential travel. For under $70,000, you're not just buying transportation. You're buying a mobile home, an adventure platform, and the ability to explore the country on your own terms. And that's powerful. If van life is your dream, this might be one of the smartest entry points into that world in 2026.